Class 7 English. This is C reading The New Blue Dress. So, when spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it is not changed. It did not change Gates Avenue. People who lived in the pretty streets near Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. When it is a story of Cleveland. So Gates Avenue was a street. So all the people who were there around the Gates Avenue were painting their houses, painting the gates and everything. But Gates Avenue was dirty and ugly. Nobody has taken care to clean their houses. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it long seemed longer because it was so ugly. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. They never expected to have any more. So it was a short street, but it used to look very long because of the ugliness, the smell which comes from there. So the people who are living in the Gates Avenue were very poor. They don't have much money. They used to have little money. So they never expected to have any more. So they did not work more to get more money. Their houses had not been painted for many years, and they did not even have running water. The street itself was ugly too. There was no pavement, there was no street light, and the railroad at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. So their houses were not at all painted from many years, and they did not have even running water, so they did not get the water properly. That's why they did not clean their houses or streets, so it was looking ugly. And there was no payment also, no street light, no payment, and the railroad ends at the Gates Avenue was noise and dirt. So always there was a noise in the Gates Avenue. The other girls in the school near Gates Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. But the little girl from Gates Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. Probably that was the only dress she owned. So after spring season, after autumn, in the spring season, when the children has come to the school, everybody was wearing nice neat dresses, but a girl from Gates Avenue did not wear the proper dress, means it was dirty, and what she has worn all the winter. During winter she wore the dress again, same thing, she has come back to the school with that dress. But the thing is that she does not have another dress. So her teacher was very unhappy. The little girl was so nice, she always worked hard. In school, she was always friendly and polite. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy, but anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. So teacher was unhappy to see her because everybody was coming has come with the neat and clean uniform, but this girl did not come. But the girl was so pretty, she was so nice. She always worked hard in the school, so she was friendly with all the children and she was polite to them also. But she had untied hair and face was dirty. But under that untidy face and untied hair, she used to look very pretty. One day the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school? Tomorrow morning, please do that just for me." So teacher said, "Tomorrow please wash your face before coming to the school. Please do it for me." The next morning the child's face was pretty and her hair tidy. Before the little girl went to home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now, dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." The next day, as the teacher said, she has come with the washed face. Then teacher was happy and again she said, "So tomorrow wash your dress and come." But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. Her mother is probably not interested in her. the teacher thought. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. So next day again she has come without washing the dress. Then her teacher thought that her mother is not interested in her. So next day teacher has given her a nice blue color dress. By taking the dress, eagerly she went home. The next morning she came to school in the new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. She told her teacher, "My mother could not believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress. My father wasn't at home, but he'll see me at supper tonight." She was full of excitement. So she has come with next day she has come with the nice pretty new dress. Then she told to the teacher that her mother was surprised to see her this morning. So her father did not see because he was not at home. Definitely he is going to come tonight. Then she was very excited. When her father saw her in the new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. So, father, when he has come at the night, he saw her. Then he thought that how pretty girl I have. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. The family had never used a tablecloth before. "We are going to begin to the tidier here," his wife said. "I'm ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean." So he was very happy to see his pretty little girl, and was very much surprised to see a cloth on the kitchen table because they never had a table on cloth on the table. So his wife said that from today onwards we are going to be very tidier, very clean and tidy, because we are ashamed to see our daughter when she is clean. How can we be dirty? So after supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband watched silently for several moments. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. So, after the supper, his wife started to clean the kitchen floor. Then her husband watched silently. Then immediately he went outside and started to repair the fence. With the help of the family, next day they have made the nice beautiful garden. Then during the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. So always we'll have a watch on the neighbors, no? So neighbor watched this man what he is doing. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house for the first time in 10 years. See, the neighbor also started to follow this man. So he started to paint his house after 10 years. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. For the first time, he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue and no street light and no running water. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserves help, the minister thought. He asked some people, some important citizens in the city to help them. So next day, the uh, one minister was passing near from the Gates Avenue. He saw these two houses were painted nicely. Then he reminded that there was no pavement, no street lights. How can when the he saw these two men were working continuously? So he thought, how can we be quiet when there is no street lights, no running water? So he has sent some important citizens to help the Gates Avenue to repair the pavement, street lights, and all. A few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gates Avenue. There was a street light on the corner, and the houses had running water. 6 months after, little girl got her new blue dress. Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. Previously, it was a dirty street, but now, a few months later, it has become because of the young minister, they have got payment, street lights, and running water also. So people started to clean their houses and paint their houses. So after 6 months, again the girl has got new blue dress. Then this Gates Avenue has got the respectable citizens, the name they have got because of the tidiness. When people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Since 1913, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. So, from 1913 onwards, people who have seen this Gates Avenue, they started the cleanup campaigns. From that time onwards, every colony started to work on the cleanliness of their streets. See, children, how the blue dress, a small girl, have changed the Gates Avenue and surrounding streets. So one change can make a lot of things. That's why always we have to follow the good rules and regulations. So when we are good, others also will be inspired by seeing us. Okay, children. This is a C reading, The New Blue Dress. Please read the lesson and understand the story. Then observe the story. Write this story in your own words in your notebook. Then glossary is there. Just read once again the glossary, followed by then write the story in your lesson. No need of question and answers or anything. Just write the story in your own words. Thank you.